Everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax here in Jacksonville. Today we're going to take a look at this Grady White 325 Freedom. It is an absolutely gorgeous boat, laid out extremely well, and we're going to talk about some features while I'm even standing on the dock. We've got a door on the port side. If you're docked on the port side, you can come through that side door, but if you're on the starboard side like I am right now, you can easily step onto the swim platform and into the boat. Very convenient no matter what side you dock. You can see the door over here on the port side. Very convenient. This boat has some really cool features like this extended lounge chair, which will retract electronically. We've got an extended sunshade, which is also power. Nice comfortable rear bench seat, giving you some great seating and entertaining area, complete with a prep station, a freshwater sink. We've got a refrigerator, some storage drawers. It's a great boat to entertain. As we move forward up to the helm, you're going to see twin 16-inch Garmin displays. That's going to have GPS, sonar. We've got a VHF radio, and this boat is ready for the radar of your choice to be added. Now this boat has a generator which powers air conditioning that we have at the helm, and we also have it on the companion side over here on the port side. We've got it in the berth and also in this head. This is air conditioned. It's got a sink with a pull-out shower and even a cedar-lined closet. And this compartment, the head compartment, is air conditioned. We also have a seating area down here. This is great for the kids when they get hot, need to get out of the sun. We've got an area down here which is fully air conditioned. There's also a fill cushion that makes this one big little bed to take a nap on. Great feature on this boat. We've got a nice full windshield that goes all the way up to the hardtop, and isinglass side enclosure as well, so you've got great weather protection. These are easily removed if you want a little bit more breeze. And we've got a vent right here, right above the center windshield, which we'll go ahead and open and let some great airflow through as well. As you can see up here at the bow, we've got great seating. This has the bow fill cushion, so you've got one giant sunbed up here. There's a windlass up front, which you can control at the bow, or you can control it from the helm station back here. This boat is fully equipped for maneuverability. We've got Yamaha full maneuverability package with joystick controls. Also has a bow thruster, so even on the windiest of days, this is going to be an extremely nimble boat and super easy to handle. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 904-545-5310 and schedule a sea trial today. Thank you.